Hi Curlies, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see by the title of this video, I would like to do a Q&A session. And basically, this is how I'm going to do it. If you do not follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at the same name that I have here on my channel, Ebony Curls, EBONI, Curls, KURLS. Or you can follow me on Snapchat. Y'all don't judge me for my name. I created it and didn't realize I couldn't change it. But my name on Snapchat is Cocoa, COCOA, Kisses, KYSSES 86. That's all one word. Do not put any space in between Cocoa Kisses. So it's Cocoa, COCOA, KYSSES 86. Follow me on either Instagram, Snapchat, or you can even send me your questions through discussion on my page, or a message. Send me a message for your questions. I will basically answer almost any question that you have to ask, as long as it's in a respectful manner. I'm not going to answer any disrespectful questions or personal, extremely personal questions. Somewhat of an open book, but let's just keep it respectful. But yeah, I want to do a Q&A. Can't talk, y'all. A Q&A session, and I would like to know what questions you guys have for me. So if you're on Snapchat, go follow me at Cocoa Kisses 86 and send me a message with all of the questions that you may have. Also add me. I add back. Go to my Instagram at Ebony Curls and add me, follow me. I will follow you back. Also, you can send me a message on Instagram with your questions, or you can send your questions here on YouTube and I will respond to them. I would rather you put them in a message form or put them in my discussion area on my channel, because if it's under a comment, I may miss it. So yeah, guys, let's get this Q&A popping. I really would like to know, what you guys would like to see me do. What are the types of videos? What type of content you guys would want? Just overall, what you would want to know about me. I'm basically an open book. And I will see you at the Q&A session. Bye.